Hello guys, and welcome to Booker's Masterclass. In this particular tutorial video, I'm going to teach you a simple steps and strategy that you can use to find 100x meme tokens and tokens that are capable of doing 100x meme tokens. And in this video, I will teach you how you can be able to find them early, because when it comes to digging like a meme token trading, the play there is between you and the creator. Both of you are trying to smarter each other. The creator is trying to make his own money, you are trying to make your own money. So and the earlier you get in any play, the better, the more profitable you are going to become. So this video is definitely for educational purpose and not for financial advice. But there is one thing I want to tell you guys here. If you are going to watch this video, please do well and subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'm doing this video, and what I'm going to teach you in this video, I learned it paid. Okay, it's not free, and I'm going to teach you for free. All I ask you for is to support this channel, like the video. Even if you cannot subscribe, it's fine. Even if you cannot comment, it's still fine. But please like this video and support the channel. It doesn't take anything from you. I know what I go through to make sure that I put every comment out there, even though that you might not like it, but that's just it. But do not be that person who doesn't like to support your fellow person who is trying to you don't want to support anybody. It's there. Just like this video, okay? So if you know you are not going to like this video, please get out and stop watching this video right now. Just off your channel and stop watching this video. If you know that after watching this tutorial you are not going to like this video, please quit watching this video right now. And if you have subscribed to the channel before, unsubscribe and get out. Simple. But if you know you are going to like this video, then you are welcome to this tutorial, and I promise you that I'm going to teach you something that will make you money. Let's go. So this is how to trade new Memecoin. I'm not going to waste our time here. I'm just going to teach you the simple thing, and this is not complex. It's just a simple thing you need to know. First of all, to find out this place, first of all, you have to log into www.deskscreener.com. deskscreener.com. Once you log into deskscreener.com, then the deskscreener.com is a website whereby tokens are being analyzed. It's a website you use to analyze different tokens to know the market cap, everything, as you can see in my screen already. So, and why we are here is for you to find a new launch token that we can get in early. So navigate through this place. So all you need to do is navigate through this place. You can see here they write new pairs. So click on this new pairs. Okay, once you click on this new pairs, you are going to see different types of tokens that have been listed early. Now when you see age means like the time they have how long this token has stayed, like how long the token has been created into existence. Okay, that is age. Then this place you can see buy, like how many people that are buying, that have bought this token. Then this sell, how many people that have sell the token. If the number of buys is high, then it means that people are buying, and the number of sales is also okay. Then but just make sure that the number of buy is more than the sell, so that you get in to know, and make sure there is number of buy and there is number of sell, because that will help you to know that, because you know all this meme token is players versus player. There are some ones that you will buy and the liquidity will be locked. They will just lock liquidity and you will not be able to sell, which I'm also going to teach you how you can be able to find out more on whether a token is good to buy and sell. Now from here you can see the liquidity that are in this token. You can see that this token has this particular token has what we call a 177k liquidity and 7.2 FDV. FDV is just simply the price of the token times the maximum supply of the token. That is the current price of the token times maximum supply of the token will give you the FDV. FDV can similarly be regarded as the market cap of a token. So that's it. And the other thing we need to know is this place. When you see here, you can see that this is Ethereum. Let me zoom up. So you can see that this place is Ethereum. Okay, that means that this coin was created on Ethereum network. You can see that this is BSC. You can see that this is Arbitrum. You can see different chains, different layer 1, layer 2 chains that are now there is one thing about layer 1 tokens, that is the one that are created on Ethereum, because the gas fee is way higher. Okay, but the ones that are created on layer 2 token, layer 2 blockchains like Arbitrum, Aptos, Osmosis, and those ZK Sync, those ones has what we call you can actually be able to sell easily. Like the gas fee is not much compared to the one that I just showed you. So once you come here, you are going to see new listed tokens. So this is a new pair. Okay, now when you see new pairs, all you have to do is navigate. Make sure that you are checking this place from time to time. This thing will help you to know. Now currently there is a coin called HIT. This HIT was launched 5 hours ago, 5 hours 59 minutes, that is almost 6 hours ago. And this HIT, since its launch, that is the last 6 hours, the coin has did 1505%. That is, the coin has did already 15x since its creation. And right now, if you want to do more about it, you click on the token. You can see, once you click on this token, you can see that this token has been pumping. Okay, now you come here, you can see the market cap. The current market cap of this token is 3.3 million. The liquidity is this, then the FDV almost the same thing. Then you can come down more. Then when you come down here, you can be able to see the number of buy. So when you come down here below, you can be able to see the people that are buying this token. Okay, you can be able to see the people that are buying this token, how they are buying, what they are doing. Okay, all those stuffs. Now when you come here, you can copy the address, pay, or the ETH contract, or all these things. You can just copy it, and from there you make your on-chain analysis, because this is currently an on-chain analysis. Then you can see the liquidity. Now after that, if you check, when I came here before I started doing this video, I saw this HIT token early enough, when it was just 1 hour, and that time it has not even did 1500%. If I wanted to trade this HIT, I would have been on under like 9x right now, because I was here when I wanted to make this video early. Okay, so now the next thing, let me not waste you guys time. So after finding the token, then you go on Uniswap. For example, when you know that this particular token now is on Ethereum pair, that means we are going to go on Uniswap to buy the token. Okay, but now if the token is on BS, that is Binance Smart Chain, then you know that you are going to go on PancakeSwap to purchase it. Now if the token is on Arbitrum, you know that you are going to go on this place, SushiSwap, for you to be able to purchase it. Now let's go to, there is a coin that I picked up that is doing well, called the Refund. So this Refund is doing well, and I want to use it to teach you something, because it is on a Ethereum network. So how do you now know whether you can be able to sell a coin or not? Because it's not about seeing, all these things are meme tokens. Okay, not all of them are meme tokens, but some of them are meme tokens. Okay, most of them are meme tokens, and most of them are degen. So you have to be very careful, and you have to make sure you test it to know whether you can be able to sell. Now, how do you know that you can be able to sell? When you come here now, you come and you put the address, search for the token. You can, once you come here, you just put the name of the token, and this thing will help you search. Now, this particular token is called refund. So this refund now, I'll come down here to see whether people are be able to. Now you can see that people have been swapping Ethereum to what, to a refund. That means they are buying Ethereum to what, Ethereum for refund. That is, they are using Ethereum to buy refund. Now all I can see here is Ethereum for refund. I'm not going to buy yet. What I'm going to do is make I search. Now as I search here, you can see that there is refund for Ethereum. Okay, now there is refund for Ethereum. Now how many volume? This is 16,206k 26k. That means a person has been able to sell his refund token to Ethereum. That means the person can now be able to buy and person can now be able to sell. Now for you to test this out, if you find out a token from the new listed coins that you want to throw this token, the next thing you have to do is what, come on this Uniswap, use small amount of money. Do not go on a coin that has higher fee. That is hard. You can't be able to, you can't have $100 you want to use and buy a token, and you now be able to, and the gas fee is $50. Don't do that. Don't pay $50 gas fee. Just leave it and find another play. So but if you are capable of paying, you have enough liquidity and you are capable of paying fees, all you have to do is search this thing to make sure that you can see that there is Ethereum for refund and there is what, refund for Ethereum. That means this token can be able, they can swap it. And once you find out that they can swap it, the next thing you have to do is you use more money. You use like $15, $5. Use it to test it to see if you can be able to swap back and swap in. Once you do it and it work through, you were able to use $5 and buy in, and then your bought token, you were able to sell it out. Then you now put your money in it. And guess what, meme tokens is this. Meme tokens, sometimes it doesn't pay, sometimes it pays. Okay, what you need to do is, this thing is just like trying your luck, but we just need to do this, the little ones that we can do for we to try our luck. But you just need to know that this is trying your luck. But there are also one thing you need to know, that you might try your luck 100 times, it will not favor you. But it is also possible that you might try your luck the first time, you can use your $100 to make $100,000. Very possible in this meme token trading. Okay, so now there is what we see here is what, the blockchains. That is the blockchain networks that are these tokens are being created on. Now you can see when you click here, all the tokens that you will be seeing here is what is Ethereum built on. You can see that this refund is #1 token right now that is doing well on Ethereum chain. It has did 304% in the last 24 hours. Okay, now you can see that there is BSC. Okay, there is also the BSC play, but most of the BSC play sometimes doesn't work well. That means people are now running out from BSC. You can see that there is no even BSC play here that has did a lot. You can see, so this is a BSC, this is Pulse chain. Then you can see what you need to be here searching for all these tokens. Just come here and be playing around. Okay, the one day you, who knows it, you will find one of the best things that can change your life from here. It can also change your life, it can also wreck you. Then you can see all these new chains. You can check core to see if there is new chains that are trending on core. You see there is one chain that did 1000 something percent in the last 24 hours on core, and most of them are you can see Bobo means Memecoin. You know, now when you see Bobo, you know that this is a Memecoin. So just come here and be playing around looking for tokens. Once you see tokens, make sure you go to the place they used to buy it, see if people can be able to swap in and swap out. Once that is done, then you are good to go. So that's just simply exactly how you can be able to find a trendy coin. Now the next thing I would say to you is I would like you to do one thing. After you have find that this token you want to trade it, I want you to do something for me. This thing I'm going to teach you will also help you. So all you have to do is come on Twitter. For example, there's this coin called RFD. come on Twitter and search for RFD. Okay, search for RFD. Then you can just play put the dollar sign and search for RFD. Search. So this yes, this coin is the RFD, so that you can be able to see the what people are talking about the coin. If there is a lot of people, the coin is trending on Twitter, then you know that it is a good coin for you to cash out from, because when people are talking about it, it means that the coin is going to gain height. Do not come to these top gainers and top losers. Don't come and be buying top losers thinking that they are going to pump in. Almost in this game of meme trading, once a coin goes to loser, it might stay loser forever. It might not come back again. So just do your best to come here, and you can see that people have created Binance Pizza. This is a coin called Binance Pizza. This is not owned by Binance, but people created it as a meme because of the pizza event that is coming on 22 May. And you can see that it has did already 5x here. You can see that this one has did almost. There is money in meme token. All you just need to do is for you to understand the concept and be able to take risk. When you are able to take the risk, just be putting 10 10 15 15. One day it might play out on your level and you win money. So search for the new pairs, scroll through the new pairs, look for, always check here for you so that you can be able to spot in once they have listed. You can see this one listed 1 hour ago. It's called iCoin. So now this is coin named iCoin. See that the coin has pumped already. Now it's dumping. If I want to buy it now, I can say let me wait for the coin to drop more. Now it's at 257 market cap with 66 liquidity. People will still come and buy more. Okay, all you have to do is copy the link, go to the place there it is being traded on. Now this iCoin is being traded on Binance Smart Chain. So you have to go to PancakeSwap and check the trading on there, whether you can be able to swap in and swap up. And that's it I have to say for the video. And this video, after watching this video, whenever you see any coin that is capable of doing 10x or 100x, just don't hesitate to drop the name of the token in the group. So I'm going to leave my community group in the comments below, so join the group and also drop what you see in the market there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.